Hello, good morning and welcome to my channel, Henry Math Lab. Today we'll be looking at prime numbers for the elementary school. So our topic is prime numbers. We know prime numbers are numbers that are only divisible by 1 and itself. So to find any prime numbers from 1 to 100, we are going to use my formalization. And what does it entail? Write odd numbers from 1 to any desired number. I want to take from 1 to 50, so I'm going to write odd numbers 1. The next odd number is 3. We have 5 and 7 and 9. I'll choose to write 11, 13, so we can see the repetition. We have 15, 17 and 19. The next one you can guess is 2 and 1, 21. Is going to be 23, 25, 27, 29, and the next one you can guess is 31. We have 33, and here we're going to have 35, 37, and we have 39, and then lastly we are going to have 41, 43, 45, 47, 49, and then we know the other number is 50. So when this is done, what you do is cross out 1. Cross out numbers that can be divided by 5 except 5. To really understand, if you have a challenge with that, you can watch my other video on the rules of divisibility. So cross out numbers that are divisible by 5. A number is divisible by 5 if that number ends with 0 or 5. So you can see all these numbers, they end in 5, but you won't cancel 5. So we are crossing out all these numbers that end in 5. The next thing we do is cross out numbers that are in the 3 timetable. We call them numbers that are multiple of 3. Now in the next video, you're going to see the explanation. How do we know numbers that are divisible by 3? They are numbers that appear in the 3 timetable, or number whose sum of the digit is also in the 3 timetable. So let's look at all. We are not going to cancel 3. Let's look at all these numbers. Since we are not canceling 3, what's the next number that is in the 3 timetable? 9 is in the 3 timetable. Now for other digits, we add them and check if they are in the 3 timetable. So do this with me. 1 plus 1 is what? 2. 2 is not in the 3 timetable. 1 plus 3 is what? 4 is not in the 3 timetable. This is 6. We've already cancelled that, so we don't even need to go back. This gives me 8. 1 plus 7. And 1 plus 9 is 10. So 10 is not in the 3 timetable. But 2 plus 1 is what? 3. 3 is in the 3 timetable because we say 3, 1 is 3. So we are going to cross, we are going to take off this number. This plus this is 5. This plus this is what? 9. 9 is in the 3 timetable. And this plus this is 11. So this plus this is 4. This plus this is 6. 6 is in the 3 timetable. This plus this is 8. This plus this is 10. This plus this is what? 12. 12 is in the 3 timetable. This plus this is 5. This plus this is 7. This plus this is 9. That's already been cancelled. This plus this is 11. And this plus this is what? 13. Now we are not with cancelling numbers that are in the 3 timetable. So the next thing we check, which is the last one, we cancel numbers that are in the 7th timetable. And please take note, numbers that are in the 7th timetable for your level, the numbers that are in the 7th timetable, we have 49. It's in the 7th timetable, 49. We have 63. We have 91. And we have 3, 4, 3. Please take note of these numbers because children don't actually identify this number. So, do we have 49? Yes, we have what? 49. And lastly, we cancel numbers that can be divisible by 11. For 2-digit numbers, numbers divisible by 11 have repeated digit. Repeated digit 1 and 1, so we're not going to cancel 11. 2 and 2, there's no 2 and 2. 3 and 3 has already cancelled, and 4 and 4. So therefore, whatever you're left with is prime numbers. So our prime numbers from 1 to 50, from 1 to 50, they include, call them out with me, 3, 5, 7. We have the next one, 11. You can see the next one, we have what? 13. and we have what? 17, and we have what? 19, and the next one we have is what? 23, and then we have 29, and the next one we have is what? 31, and the next one we have is 37, and the next is 41, 43, 47. So these are all the prime numbers between 1 and 50. I believe you enjoyed the class. I'm actually going to do a next video to show you the application of prime numbers. Why do we use prime numbers? Prime numbers is used in reducing to lowest term. When you reduce to lowest term, if a prime number shows up, but just subscribe to the station and tune in for the next topic. Thank you. Bye-bye.